Hi, Peter.
Hello, teacher.
Good evening, Peter. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, good to know that. Please share something about your day, Peter. What did you do? What did you do today?
Uh, I learned English
You learned English. Where?
um for my home.
Oh, in your house. Who teach you? Who
I
teach you?
don't understand.
Okay, wait. Who taught you English today?
Ai đã dạy bạn tiếng Anh hôm nay?
Only me.
Oh, just you. Okay. So I believe you reviewed the vocabularies we have talked about yesterday, which is great, Peter. Now let us see. The first one is scroll. Scroll. What is it? We've talked about this one yesterday, right?
I don't
Scroll.
know.
Oh, you don't know scroll? We have talked about this one yesterday, Peter. I've defined it for you. When we say scroll, Peter, it means you will use your finger to scroll or move it up and down, Peter, to see contents. Wait. Scroll means using your finger to scroll up and down to view contents.
Cuộn nghĩa là sử dụng ngón tay để cuộn lên xuống nhằm xem nội dung.
Okay?
Okay.
That is it. Now what about post, Peter? Post.
I don't know.
Now, we have talked about this one yesterday as well, and as I've said, post it means to share something on the internet. You will publish so everyone can see, Peter. Post means to share or publish something so everyone can see.
Đăng, nghĩa là chia sẻ hoặc công bố điều gì đó để mọi người cùng xem.
Okay.
That is post, Peter. Now, what about share? Share.
Uh, it's like it's like uh I don't know.
Can you try to think, Peter? What is it like? You're almost there. It's like what? Can you try to think of a word to express your idea?
Yes.
Can you try to find a word to express your idea?
Bạn có thể thử tìm một từ để diễn đạt ý tưởng của mình không?
Okay. It's like, what is share? It's like what?
I don't know.
Okay. So when we say share, Peter, it means you will put something online so people can see it. Okay. It's similar to posting because when you post something, it means you are making it available for the public to see, share. Now, what about message? Message.
Um. Is it's like Zalo.
Yes, what can we do in Zalo? What can we do on Zalo, Peter?
Uh, we can we can I I can say it in English.
Okay. When we say message, it means that you will send an email or a text to someone. Do you have Zalo? Do you have Zalo?
Yes.
Who do you message?
Yes.
Who do you message on Zalo?
I don't understand.
Who do you message on Zalo?
Bạn thường nhắn tin cho ai trên Zalo?
My family.
Oh, you're. What about friends, Peter?
And friends.
Oh, okay. Family and friends. Okay, that's good. Now, next one. What about browse? Browse.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know this one? Okay, so you don't know a lot of words tonight, Peter. When we say browse, Peter, it means to look at something on the internet, okay? Like, for example, I usually browse the internet for a couple of hours each evening, which means you just look at it, Peter, and to see new updates or maybe some post online. That is browse. Browse means to look something on the internet.
Okay.
What about shop?
Um. Shop. You can buy something in shop.
Yes, indeed, you can buy something in a shop if it is a noun, Peter. But this is a verb. It is an action, Peter. Do you know what a verb is? Verb. This one, Peter. Verb. See? As you can see, these are all verbs. Do you know what verb is?
No.
Verb.
Động từ.
Can you tell me what is verb?
With me.
Okay. It's in your English lesson, Peter.
Okay.
What is it?
It's I can say it in English.
Okay. Now, when we say verb, it means it is an action word, Peter. A verb is an action word. For example, walking, eating, running. right?
Okay.
Okay, that
Okay.
is verb. It is an action, Peter. Now, in here, Peter, when we say shop, it means you will visit a shop, Peter. It means a physical store, or if online, you will visit a website to buy things. Okay, that is what shop means. As a verb, not as a noun. Now, can you tell me, do you like shopping online, Peter? Do you buy things online?
No.
Oh, no, you don't. Where do you buy things like shirts?
Uh, I buy shirt. Um. Uh. Uh.
At?
A cup.
Where do you buy it?
I don't understand.
Where do you buy things?
I buy in shopping mall.
In a shopping mall. Okay, I see. What did you buy recently? What did you buy recently?
I don't understand.
What did you buy recently?
Um. I buy ice cream.
Oh, you bought. Okay. It's not buy anymore, Peter. It's bought. Okay. I bought an ice cream. Okay. Tasty, Peter. Next one, what about game? Of course, you know this one. What is game?
Um. Is uh is a video game.
Oh, okay. Yes, that is an example of a game, Peter. A video game. Indeed. Okay. What other games do you play? Do you play Roblox or some other
No.
games, Peter? Oh, okay, you
No.
don't. Okay. Well, that's good, Peter. Now, what about watch? Watch. What is watch?
Um. Uh. Um. What you can s- you can what time?
You can watch time. When we say watch, it means you are going to look at something over a period of time. Like, for example, watching a horror movie. Okay, to look at something. That is watch. Now, let us practice, Peter, and tell me whether you like it or don't like it. Okay, let's start with the first one.
Uh. I I don't like to shop on the internet.
Okay, I see. What about for two?
I don't like on social media.
You don't like
Scrolling.
scrolling. Okay, on social media. What about for three?
I don't like to post on social media.
Okay. Four, Peter.
Uh, I do like sharing photos on social media.
What about for 5?
I like watching movie online.
I see. And for the last one, Peter.
I like to message
Message.
people message on social media.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Peter. Can you tell me why don't you like posting your photos on social media? Why don't you like posting photos on social media?
Tại sao bạn không thích đăng ảnh lên mạng xã hội?
Um. Because I didn't like taking photo and and because I don't like taking photo.
You don't like taking photos of. Oh, okay, Peter. Thank you for that. Now let us proceed to exercise for dialogue. Okay, in here you have to read it with me and answer some questions afterwards. And in here you will be Haruto. Now let us start. What devices do you own, Haruto?
I have a phone, a tablet, I have a phone, tablet, and a laptop.
How often do you use them?
Um, I use my laptop and my phone every day. I don't use my tablet very often, maybe once a week.
What do you use them for?
I mainly use my phone for messaging friends, but I spend a lot of time scrolling on social media. I use tablet to read and watch movie, and I use my to game.
What social media sites do you use?
I mainly just use Instagram and
How often do you check them?
I probably check them every hours.
What do you use Instagram and X for?
I mainly use Instagram to post picture of my cat. I have a lot of follow who look at. I use it to read the news, but I don't post very often.
Okay, thank you so much, Peter. Now let us check your understanding. Can you tell me how many devices does Haruto own?
I don't know. It's phone, laptop, and tablet.
Okay, so he owns 3 devices, a phone, a tablet, and a laptop. How often does Haruto check Instagram and X?
Um, he take a cat.
How often?
Uh, I don't know.
Okay, wait, can you tell me?
Um, I probably check them every hours.
Okay, so he checked Instagram and X every hour. Now, what does Haruto mainly use Instagram for? What does he use Instagram for?
He I don't know.
Okay, he uses it. What for?
I mainly use Instagram to post picture of my cat. I have a lot of followers who love cat. I use X to read the news, but I don't post very often.
Okay, yes, there you have it, Peter. That is the answer. Thank you. Now let us proceed to exercise 5. Complete the sentence. What is your answer for 1?
I have a phone and a laptop.
That's correct. What about for 2?
I use my tablet um twice a day.
Okay, twice a day. That is for 3, right? Okay, which is correct. What about for 2?
How often do you use them?
Okay, that's right. And 4?
I don't use I don't use my laptop very often.
Why is it don't, Peter? Why is our answer don't here?
It's happen.
No, I'm just asking. Can you justify your answer?
Bạn có thể giải thích lý do cho câu trả lời của mình không?
Why is it
I don't know.
don't? You don't know? Are you guessing then? Are you guessing?
Because
Because?
it's have I and
Okay. And?
because it's have I.
Okay, because our subject here is I, so we will use don't. Okay, I don't use my laptop very often. Now, what about for 5?
What social media sites do you use?
Okay, yes, it's a 6, Peter.
I take X 50 times a day. Times
Okay,
a day.
times a day. What is X again? What is it again, Peter?
X X
What is it again? What is X again?
uh
It was formerly known as Twitter. Okay, Twitter, Peter. It was formerly known as Twitter. Now, what about for 7?
um I use my phone to message a friend.
Yes, it's a very good. And last one.
I use it for share pictures.
Is it share? I use it for share pictures.
A.
Okay, now the correct answer here, Peter, is sharing. Okay, I use it for sharing pictures because after the preposition for, Peter, we always follow it with a gerund. Do you know what a gerund is? Gerund.
I don't know.
Okay, when we
I
say
don't know.
gerund, Peter, these are the words ending with ing. Okay, like for example, sharing. Okay, this is an example of a gerund. Okay, running. Okay, these are gerunds. Okay, verbs, Peter, these are verbs ending with ing. Wait. Gerunds are verbs ending with ing.
Danh động từ là những động từ kết
Okay.
thúc bằng đuôi ing.
Okay, yes, there you have it. Now, I believe that would be all it for our class. So next meeting, Peter will continue with fill in the blanks. Goodbye now, Peter.